Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a graphic organizer on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the Websites button and search the graphic organizer option next to the artistic CD cover. Here you have more options. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example shapes, stickers, charts and more. If you want to add text to your project, go to the text button and click to the add a text box option. If you want draft, go to the draft section and just draft to your canvas. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to change the background color, just go to the black square icon next to the design section and you can select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, click to the text box, delete the text and write new. You can edit this text. If you want to change the style, just click to the arrow next to the Bukhari script font type name, and here you can select another text style and font type. If you want to edit the size of your text, click to the minus or the plus icon, and in the effects section you can add different effects to your text, for example shadows, glitch and shapes format. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.